Hi, boys and girls. We're going to read a story today about Tom and Tabby and asking for help. So turn on your listening ears and we'll get started. Tabby Cat and Tom Cat were doing some homework. Tabby is moving right along. It's easy for her. Tom Cat is not. He doesn't understand how to do it. He is getting really frustrated. Have you guys ever felt that way? What did you do about it? Talk to the grown-up you're with. I can't do this! This is dumb! Tom said as he slammed down his pencil. Tom stomped his feet all the way to his room. He felt silly because he didn't know how to do it. He wished that Tabby or Mom would just help him. Finally, Tom calmed down and he went back to his homework. Tabby, I can't do this. It's just too hard. Will you do it for me? Tom asked. No, I can't do your homework for you. That's cheating. You can do it. You have to just try, Tabby Cat replied. Turn and tell the grown-up you're with if you agree with Tom Cat or with Tabby Cat and why. I just need help, Tom said. Will you help me with my homework, please? He asked. Well, of course I can help you. Why didn't you just ask? Tabby responded. Tom thought that Tabby would have known that he needed help because he said he couldn't do it. Tabby helped him with the first problem, and then Tom Cat was able to do the rest all by himself. All right, it is your turn. Use your own Tom and Tabby's to kind of act out a situation where you could ask for help. And what could you do? Have fun. See you later. Bye-bye.